Alright, so today is September 6, 2023. It is a Wednesday, and GoPro has released their new GoPro called the GoPro Hero 12 Black. Currently, this is being recorded on a Hero 10 Black at 1080p 24 frames per second with Hypersmooth standard, and this is on Super View. So what I've heard about the GoPro Hero 12 is what's pretty cool about it, well, what I know is that there is a Bluetooth function, so you're able to connect your Bluetooth microphones along with it.
Way down the mountain here, we're gonna go left.
Give voice commands remotely and hear camera alerts through your earbuds.
GoPro, start recording. That is dope.
Expand your Hero 12 Black into a creative powerhouse. Up your vlog game with new mic features and enhanced audio tuning with Media Mod.
Look at this.
The water's running, the sun is shining.
Scharf und hier ist das wunderschöne Matterhorn.
A host of audio capabilities. Hero 12 Black delivers pro quality sound that makes your adventures come to life.
Let's freaking send it, baby. Let's go.
With those Bluetooth microphones, you're allowed to connect it to the AirPods. Now, I don't believe you could hear the audio coming from it, so you can get an audio feedback, but I know that it's going to be using the microphone in the AirPod. So there are some new frame rates on the new GoPro. So it says 5.3K 60 frames per second plus 4K 120. So what I hope with the 5.3K is that the noise on the video in low resolution is not that bad, but yeah, we'll see.
Hero 12 Black offers video resolutions and frame rates that rival cinema cameras in a pocket-sized form factor. Its industry-leading image quality allows you to capture incredibly immersive video. Capture unmatched detail and image quality with full-frame 5.3K, delivering 3 times the resolution of 4K and 12 times the resolution of HD. Slow things way down. Shoot 8x slow-mo in 2.7K 240 and 4x slow-mo in stunning 4K 120.
And they have a new HDR mode. If you don't know what HDR means, it means high definition resolution. So I can't wait to try that on the GoPro Hero 12.
Choose HDR photo mode for vivid color and even exposure in any scenario. Or use raw photo mode for ultimate post-production flexibility.
HDR photo and video, versatile 8:7 aspect ratio, waterproof up to 33 feet, up to 2 times longer battery run times. Now the 2 times longer battery run times, I think that only depends on like your usage of like how you would use it.
It's compact, durable, and designed to withstand the most extreme environments. And it's waterproof down to 33 feet without a housing. Hero 12 Black is the world's most versatile camera, with built-in mounting for compatibility with over 40 GoPro mounts and accessories. All this makes it easy to capture unimaginable perspectives in places only a GoPro can go.
Ultra durable, waterproof, of course, that's what GoPro's motto is. Water repelling lens cover. I mean, water repelling lens cover, that sounds actually really good, because usually with GoPros, the lens is usually stuck with water, but when it's water repelling, it means that water shouldn't be on the actual camera. And plus, I'm filming this on an actual GoPro, so if I put water on this, then, you know. Yeah, GoPro got an Emmy. They got Hypersmooth 6.0. They say it's super Hypersmooth 6.0 with Autoboost. Basically, it's trying to go to the widest frame possible on the mode that you chose, and to try and reach that properly. Yeah, so the GoPro Hero 12 there's a new chip on it. There's a larger micro sensor, or like, it's not a micro sensor, but there's a larger sensor on it, so it's able to gather more data, more pixels, so your image can be better even when it's raw. So if it's a raw photo or a raw photo, then you're able to exchange it out for, well, edit the photo through Lightroom to make the photo look better.
Hero 12 Black's tall 8:7 sensor delivers an ultra immersive, extra large field of view. Now you can capture more of your snowboard or more of your handlebars. The 8:7 sensor also offers maximum flexibility when it comes to capture. Go from horizontal to vertical capture without rotating the camera. Or shoot in the immersive full-frame video mode for ultimate versatility, which lets you easily crop for vertical or widescreen with the GoPro Quick app. Capture the feel and speed of your activity with Hyperview. This specially designed video mode fits the entire full-frame view into a widescreen experience. that maximizes your POV. Hypersmooth 6.0 takes our Emmy-winning video stabilization to the next level, analyzing 4 times the real-time data for impossibly smooth video. Improved Autoboost dynamically crops into your video, only when needed to provide the highest level of stabilization, but zooms out to maximize your field of view whenever possible. Select Horizon Lock to keep your video level, even when the camera rotates a full 360 degrees.
Built-in Horizon Lock, that is classic. And then they got the new Max Lens mod. I've never tried a Max Lens mod number 1, but this one says it could reach up to 177 degrees field of view. Only thing is that there's like a crop frame or a digital crop with these things, which I hate with the GoPro, so I usually try and keep it on the widest possible. Now, I don't know if this one's waterproof. Is it waterproof? I don't know. It just says mountain biking, skiing, and other action sports. So this Max Lens mod might not be waterproof.
Transform your Hero 12 Black into the ultimate POV camera with Max Lens Mod 2.0. The ideal upgrade for your Hero 12 Black, Max Lens Mod 2.0 delivers an ultra-wide field of view and unbreakable stabilization at a stunning 4K 60 resolution. Experience a wider field of view, up to 177 degrees for the most epic POV shots in a GoPro camera. Max Super View delivers a widescreen field of view that's 36% larger than Hero 12 Black alone. Shoot uncropped vertical video without the need for additional mounts or rotating the camera vertically. Experience vertical video with a massive 48% larger field of view compared to Hero 12 Black alone. Take your speed to the next level with Max Hyperview for the ultimate widescreen experience. And unlock the highest level of video stabilization with Max Hypersmooth. All of this is packed into a new slimmed-down design with a 2 times more scratch-resistant lens and improved hydrophobic performance. Max Lens Mod 2.0 is the ultimate accessory for adventure seekers looking for the most immersive POV.
Let's see your image sensor do more. So it's basically cropping, digital cropping in the image. So your actual lens is like wide. It's landscape mode. So like this video from here all the way to here. But this one means that you're able to crop it with the little software on it. Here's some examples. So 8:7, I'm not sure. That might be the original aspect ratio that's being stretched out and so forth for GoPro. 10-bit color, that's actually really good for videographers, especially when you're trying to color grade something. New timecode sync, that I really love, because if I have an edit with 10 GoPros, which I almost had one time, not 10 but like 3-4 GoPros, you have to do the audio sync properly or timecode properly. But this thing says that it will use the GoPro app, the quick app, to wirelessly sync all the modules, all the GoPros together. So that is great. I really love that feature, and I'm really going to test that out once I have the GoPro Hero 12 Black.
GoPro remains a go-to standard in Hollywood, and Hero 12 Black delivers professional, industry-leading features. Level up your image quality with 10-bit color. Go from 16.7 million colors with 8-bit to over 1 billion with 10-bit for enhanced color depth, smoother gradation, and more realism in your videos. Take enhanced control over your post-production with the new 10-bit GP Log video profile. This unlocks more dynamic range for advanced color correction. New timecode sync makes multi-camera editing easier than ever. Now you can instantly sync Hero 12 Black with precise timecode simply by scanning a QR. With features designed for the pros, every aspect of video production is more seamless.
So it got stunning 12 megapixels photos and 24.7 megapixel frame grabs. Now that is really good on your megapixels, because I remember taking a photo of the Grand Canyon on this GoPro, and it is phenomenal. Now if it had more frames or like 10-bit color, then I'm able to even color grade it to be even be better. But with its own HDR feature for the GoPro Hero 10, the eye experience is actually really, really good. I tried night effect a few times, but I never tried it on this GoPro or the Hero 11 or the Hero 9. So that is something really to try out. Like that's really cool. Star trails, light painting. I tried to do vehicle light trails in Lake Tahoe. Didn't really work.
Tap into your creativity with easy-to-use modes for shooting a variety of time lapses. Create stunning time-lapse video, day or night, straight out of the camera. No post-processing needed. Get artistic after dark with night effects. And use Time Warp to capture ultra-stabilized time-lapse video while on the move.
There's hindsight that captures up to 30 seconds. That is a feature that GoPro offers, scheduled in duration. They've had that since the GoPro Hero 9. Now I do hope it's better, because they did say that this is a new, on the GoPro Hero 12 Black is a new chip. They got all of these mods. They got the Volta as usual, and of course the GoPro Quick.
When it comes to getting the shot, Hero 12 Black has you covered with a variety of convenient capture modes. Use scheduled capture to automatically turn the camera on and start recording. And never miss the moment with hindsight, which captures up to 30 seconds of video before you even hit record.
Did you see him come out?
Easily interact with Hero 12 Black using voice commands in 11 languages.
GoPro, take a photo.
If your camera's out of reach, wirelessly operate your Hero 12 Black with the remote. And for total control, the Quick app has you covered. When you're finished shooting, your photos and videos are at your fingertips within the Quick app. And relive your best moments easily with auto highlight videos. While Hero 12 Black is charging, your shots upload to the cloud and a highlight video is sent to you.
Okay, so the price on here, so if you buy it, it says Hero 12 Black is $400. Hero 12 Black plus accessory bundle is $500. That's a $480 value. The Hero 12 Black plus Max Lens mod, $480. So I would say what is more worth it is probably the accessories bundle, because you get a lot with it. If you just get it with your Max Lens mod, you're not really going to get much. But with the accessories bundle, you do have to get the Max Lens mod separate, is what GoPro is trying to do. Yeah, so with this new GoPro Hero 12 Black, I'm confident, I'm excited about it. The only thing about it is that if it loads very slowly, then it won't really be helpful, because if I need to film something really fast at an event, because I run a business of photo and video, then it's gonna cause a big delay, and by the time we're there, we're gonna miss the moment that's being captured.
Hero 12 Black delivers a platform for endless creativity, with best-in-class resolutions, industry-leading technology, and pro features. It's the world's most versatile camera, designed for you to easily capture and share your stories, travels, and most epic moments.